if you ever need to clean up the audio in your videos, you can just drag a video, so long as you have the FFmpeg plugin installed or the activated, and you can find that in your preferences, I believe. Just drag a video into Audacity and drop it, and it'll import the audio. I'm actually doing two here, so I'm going to drag both of these in. And I'm just going to select some background here. I'm going to play that just to make sure that's what it is. All I want is some background noise. And I didn't think to leave a good clean sample. Nah, I'm not getting one. That's alright. You can always just track, add new, stereo track. I'll just do a little recording here because I'm in the same environment still. That should be good enough for an audio sample. I'll just take that, go Effects, Audacity, Noise Reduction, get my noise profile from that, and then I will select these other two audios. Now I'll just go to Select All. I won't hurt nothing to write on that. And then just go back to Effects, Audacity, Noise Reduction, just run it, and it will clean up this noise. And notice that's a lot cleaner audio now. I can hit over here, hit play. I can still hear a little bit of it in there, so I'm just going to run it a second time. Select all, Effects, Audacity, Noise Reduction. So now I can pull this audio track into my video editor and just mute the track in my video editor and use this audio track with the video.